Hello friends, this is Anant Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Now we will continue and see about stream functions, how stream function is constant on a streamline. Let us see that. Now when you say any function, the differential of that function can be written something like this. If I say z is a function of say x and y, then my dz in general can be written as dou z by dou x into dx plus dou z by dou y into dy. So now if I have a stream function d psi, this d psi can be written as dou psi by dou x into dx plus dou psi by dou y into dy. Why only these two? Because psi is a function of x and y. Now if we consider streamline, equation of the streamline, what is the equation of the streamline? Equation of the streamline can be written as v dx minus u dy, correct, is equal to 0, or we can also write u by dx is equal to v by dy. This way also we can write. Okay. Also, now here in this case, if I say this particular one, if you consider v dx and u dy, you consider this. So this can also be written as minus v dx plus u dy is equal to 0. Possible because minus we have multiplied. So we can write it like this. Now we compare this with this and this with this. That means here minus v is equal to dou psi by dou x, which is the definition of stream function, and u is dou psi by dou y. Okay. And now this implies, since v is this and u is this, so I can replace, instead of this, I can say d psi is equal to, I can put, instead of dou psi by dou x, I can say minus v dx, and instead of dou psi by dou y, I can say plus u dy. And we know along a streamline this becomes equal to 0, because along a streamline v dx minus u dy is equal to 0, means minus v dx plus u dy will become equal to 0. That means my d psi is equal to 0. What does this imply? It implies that if I go along a streamline, between any 2 points along a streamline, my difference in the stream function d psi is equal to 0. Now let us have a recap of what is a streamline. Streamline is a line where at every point the velocity is tangential, right? At every point the velocity vector, the capital V, the velocity vector is tangential to that line. Then it is called a streamline. Okay. And along a streamline, stream function is constant. That means my difference in the stream function value is not there along a streamline. So this says that along a streamline psi, that is stream function, is constant. I hope you have understood this, students. If you have any doubts, you can put it on the comments, and if you want me to solve any particular concept, you can put it on the comment section also. I will solve a question or I will explain you some concepts related to fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, or simple mechanics. I can solve those problems. Okay. Thank you very much, students, and kindly subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and support me in this venture. Thank you very much, students.